Welcome back. In my last video, we replaced the front shocks and ball joints on my 95 Nissan Hardbody. In this video, I want to replace the rear shocks. We're replacing factory with some Monroe matic-plus shocks. These are not the best shocks you can buy, but I wanted to go ahead and match the front. A few guys I trust over on the D21 forums on infamousnissan.com suggested KYB Excel G shocks. If I had time to plan this out, I would have went with KYBs all around. They're twice as much as the Monroes, but from what I hear, they are much better quality. So now on to the install. These are the original shocks Nissan put on back in '95, so the bolts are going to be extra stubborn. We'll add some WD-40 and let that soak in a few minutes. I'm also going to do this without jacking it up. There should be plenty of clearance, but sometimes jacking it up will release some tension on the shocks, which will allow them to come off a little bit easier. Alright, we've given the WD-40 about 5 minutes to soak in, so let's go ahead and see how stubborn these bolts are going to be to get off. That there is Harper, the Aussie Doodle. I guess he just wanted to check it out here.
11/16.
One thing I noticed here that kind of bothers me a little bit is this shock was really easy to push in. I know when I installed the ones on my Ford, those things were hard to push in. And the front ones too a little bit on this one, but this one here, I don't know if it's a bad shock or if that's just the Monroe quality, but it didn't seem like that good of a shock, honestly. The wall goes it on there tight. Alright, when taking this second one out of the box, I noticed there's a package of bushings in there. I didn't notice that on the first one, so I didn't install them. So we'll install them on this one and see if we need them. These didn't have bushings in them anyways. Might be right on the other one, but I might change it up. Anyways. See that? That's already got a bushing on it. Like built onto the mount, looks like. Now after watching this video as I'm doing the edits, this one here had a lot more tension on it than the other one. I wonder if the other one was shot. I may have to change that one out. And this is the finished product. Pretty easy job. We just had 4 bolts to take off. It wasn't extremely hard to get the other ones off. The new ones went on pretty quick. I do think I'm going to have to replace the one on this side here, but if I do, I'll make a video about it. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.